So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on any service, then you want to click on F on your keyboard. And then you want to find the function discovery provider host and the function discovery resource publication, which is right under it. So we're going to click on the first one. Make sure that the starter tab is on automatic, and then click on start, which will then make the service running. Repeat that for the one under it as well. Startup type, automatic, and then click on start. And then click on OK. Now you want to click on S on your keyboard, and you want to look for SSDP discovery, which is right here. Do the same thing. You want to double click on it, make sure that it's on automatic, and then click on start, which will then make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now we're going to do this one last time. We're going to type in U on our keyboard, then we're going to scroll down until we find UPnP device host. Double click on it, startup type automatic, click on start, and then click on OK. Now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in manage advanced sharing settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to make sure that network discovery is turned on and that fingerprint sharing is also turned on. Then you want to expand private networks. Make sure that network discovery is turned on and that fingerprint sharing is also turned on. And then you want to click on all networks. And now you want to make sure that password protected sharing is turned on. Now for the last step, you want to find a folder that you want to share. You want to right click on it and then click on properties and then click on sharing and then click on share. And now you want to click on the arrow, and you could either create a new user, or you could add the person who you want to share it to, or you could just select everyone. And then click on add. And then you can change the permission level to either read or read and write. And then click on share. And now you could either email someone the links to these shared items, or you can copy and paste the link into another app. And then that's how you do it.